Hi everybody, and thanks for your interest in the Gestures game code from Alpine Pipeline. In this video, I want to show you how you can modify the code and make for yourself a unique game. So first, what you'll do is download the zip file, unzip it, click on the Gestures game Xcode project, and it'll open up in Xcode. And I'm in Xcode 6 here. So there are a lot of files, of course, to the project, but you only have to pay attention to a few of these files and folders. For example, this whole frameworks area, you don't have to even go into. I'll be showing you how to zero in on only the things you need to change to make the game unique. All right, but first let's just run the game so that we can see what are some of the things that down the line we're going to be modifying. Opens up in Game Center. And this is something you don't even actually have to have. It's a modifiable thing. There is music, and so you can turn that on. Now you can get rid of the music entirely or put in your own soundtrack. All right, you can have an area where you go and add new games. These can be your own. These are purchasable or downloadable by users, and they can share with their friends. But let's just see how to play. Of course, there is a how to play area that tells them to swipe the black arrow in the direction it's pointing, swipe the empty arrow in the other direction, tap the number of circles, and hold. All right, so the directions are pretty straightforward. You got it, and we go in. So we're dealing with some pretty basic shapes, triangles and circles, and some very familiar gestures, tapping and holding, tapping twice, 3 times, and swiping. All right, so I'm just going to hold on this one. I'm going to hold, as the directions say, tap once, hold, swipe in the opposite direction. I'm going to hold again. Now you can modify, and what we're going to be doing is modifying these symbols. All right, so there I lost, and so the game is over, and here is a Chartboost ad, and we'll show you how to put the code in for your own Chartboost account. And I can replay. All right, now here's a 3-tap circle, 1, 2, 3. And so these circles and arrows can be just about anything that you can dream up to make it original. And when you get a mistake, as you can see, it goes to red. And so you can change that as well. So there's a lot that is modifiable in the game. Okay, so you might be saying to yourself, what can I do with this? Well, there's actually a lot you can do with this. And let me just give you an example of a reskin that one of our customers did. All right, he gave this same code a Halloween theme. So let me show you how it looks. Okay, the typical opening screens. We'll get rid of the Game Center. And now take a look at what's been exchanged here. Instead of arrows and circles, we have Halloween candy. All right. And that's a custom sound in there. So you see that there is a lot that can be done here. And instead of circles that you tap, we have pumpkins. So a lot of neat things we can do. Let's take a look at how to do it.